Hello, welcome to the Department of Developmental Services training video for the e-billing self-determination program application. In this video, I will cover topics budget entry and budget delete. You must have a RC administrator or an RC analyst user role to create budgets. In this example, I am logged in as an RC analyst. RC analysts must be assigned their financial management service vendors and also their consumers that they will be creating budgets for. On the home dashboard, select the FMS vendor that you want to create the budget for the consumer on. Then select the Budgets tab. The Budgets tab defaults to the search page. We're going to create a budget, so I'm going to select the Budget Entry subtab. You should have the dollar amounts that you want to allocate to the budget categories for already figured out for your consumer. You can find your consumer by typing in last name, first name, or the UCI number. I'm going to go ahead and use the UCI number. Based on the first three characters, a drop-down list will display of all the consumers that you have available that meet that criteria. In this instance, I only have one consumer with a UCI that begins with 810. I select my UCI and it pulls in the remainder of the information for the consumer. The begin service date is coming from the Consumer Master Files self-determination program setup. So when a consumer was changed to have the service delivery type of S for self-determination, it also asked for a begin date. That date is listed here. If that date is incorrect, you need to speak to someone on the case management side about the date that they listed for beginning services. Your budget begin date cannot be before this begin service date. You can type in the date to begin the budget, or you can select it from the calendar. Once you've selected the begin date, the end date will automatically calculate for one calendar year. And then your budget categories display with the cursor defaulted into the allocated amount for the first budget category. Type in the dollar amount that you want to cover for each category. You can either tab through the fields or you can click in them in order to select for entry. You can also input an advanced amount if your regional center has decided that they will be doing advances for FMS vendors. In this example, I'm not going to input an advanced amount. Once you are done inputting the information, you can select Submit for Approval. This will change the budget status to pending approval and will send a notification to your RC approvers that they need to approve budgets. Or you can save and close the budget and access it again later to modify it. In this example, I'm going to do a save and close. My budget's been created. Next, we're going to delete a budget. I need to find my budget through the Budget Search tab. A budget that has been created but has no invoices submitted against it can be deleted. Also, budgets that are in particular statuses can be deleted. Other statuses are not available to delete. Budgets that are in pending approval and pending transfer status cannot be deleted. I have two budgets here. One is in approved status and one is in unsubmitted. This is the budget that I just created. As you can see, a delete button is available on the budget line. My budget here in approved status has had invoicing done against it, and therefore it can no longer be deleted. To delete a budget that is available for deletion, simply click on the delete. You'll get a confirmation and say OK. We hope you found this training video helpful. Thank you.